Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer options. Alright, so let's begin. We need to open up the settings first. Now, once we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the About Phone. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find software information. And now, in here we have the build number. We need to tap on it a few times, just like me. In my case, I need to also type my lock screen. Now, click on OK. And now our developer options has been enabled. Now we need to go back. And now find General Management. Scroll down. Sorry, not the General Management. The developer options are below About Phone, my bad. And in here, make sure that they are on. And here we have access to those developer settings. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.